welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video I'm going to teach you how can you make these amazing elastic beads bracelets. These bracelets are really easy to make. I have made this in these flat beads. I have used these slightly longer beads. I have used 12 beads in circle as well. I have made a couple of these bracelets. The pattern of this is going to be the same. I'm going to teach you in a moment right now. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how can you make these elastic ones. I have also made some in with these locks. If you are not comfortable with the elastics one, you can make the lock ones, but if you wanted to learn these ones, you can go ahead and comment me on the comment box down below. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. Let me wear and show you how does it looks like. And this is what, let me focus, look at this. These are super duper easy to make. You can make these with the regular normal 6 beads or crystals. I have used here are some of these uneven crystals. Okay, so we are going to start with the video. I'm going to teach you how can you make this purple one. For the video I'm going to remove each and every thing. Now the things we will need are some of these gorgeous oxidized crystal beads. If you don't have those, get any 10 or 12 beads you like. Then I'm going to take some of these uneven crystals. You can add the normal round crystals as well, but in size 6 okay. Kindly ignore these nail marks. My cat just scratched me 2 days before. Okay, I'm using a 0.2 excuse me, 0.10 elastic cord. You can get this from AliExpress. Okay, next you will need some of these paper pins or these kind of any of these to hold the elastic, any of these things. You will need scissor. You will need scale to measure the elastic. So now let's get started with the video. Okay, so I'm going to take elastic around for 2.6 hand size. Like if you wanted to make longer, you can go ahead and adjust the size as per your hand size. I am almost taking a 12 inches in double, not single, in double. Make sure you double your elastic, and almost like 12 inches long. I'm going to cut. And now we are going to take any of these stitch markers. I'm going to pull this thread elastic through, and now we are going to start with this part right here, because this is the point. You can actually wear it in two different style. You can wear it like that. This is going to be your top section like that. This is design 1. You can wear it like this as well. Okay, so we are going to start. The size of the bead depends on how thick you want it to be, you know, like it will decide actually the thickness here. I don't know what kind of English is these, but okay, I hope you understand. Look, this is the difference between these two, the spacing. So that is going to be the difference. Now we are going to take both of these ends, and I'm going to slide this in, and now as you can see we are actually holding our elastic, and we have to make sure you have to attach anything to hold the elastic, because we are going to tie at the end. Now we are going to part our elastic into two different sections, right and left, or you can call it A and B. Now into the section A on my right side, I'm going to start adding these uneven crystals. The amount of the crystals are going to be 6. If you are making with the 6 regular crystals, you can go ahead and add 6 as well. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now we are going to take the other side and we are going to add 6 of these cute little beads on your left side of your elastic. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 on the right and 6 on the left side. Now what we have to do, we are going to take our bead. Let me give you a close-up. Now you're going to take your bead, but this time we are not going to put the string through these two, but we are going to make sure the holes are on the left and the right side. So from your right side, you're going to pass the elastic to the left side like that, and from the left side you're going to pass your elastic to the right side. Pass it through like that. Now we are going to just pull it through, and there you can see we have this right here. And now from now on we are going to add 7 beads on your right elastic and 7 beads on the left. In just starting and ending point we are going to add 6, but now we are going to add 7 uneven crystals, or if you are using the regular ones, add 7 on the right and 7 on the left, but obviously 6 mm. So I'm going to add that and I'm going to fast forward. Okay, so now you can see I have slide in 7 on the right and 7 on the left. And now we are going to repeat this same pattern which we repeat before. I'm going to, okay, so 7 on one side and 7 on other side. And now take your bead and pass your right side thread or elastic from your left side. Oops. And left elastic towards the right side. And now you're going to just ta-da! And this is how your work's going to look like. I'm going to keep repeating it 7 beads, 7 bead, and repeat the center part until I have add my 7 of these beads, because the size I am making requires 7 of these cute little beads in the center. I'm going to do is 7 beads, and 1 in the center, 7 beads, 7 bead, 1 in the center. I'm going to finish this off and then let you know what you have to do next. Okay, so I'm done with my design. As you can see, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads right into the center. And now at the end, what we have to do is we are going to add 6 on your right and 6 on your left, like we did in your starting point. Because now we are going to make is a knot. And how you going to make the size you want all you have to do is wrap it over your wrist like that. And look, now when we're going to make add one last layer of these 6 crystals, you will see that the size is accurate on my hand. It's going to be a little loose. I don't like tighter bracelets. I like the loose ones. If you like the tighter ones, you can go ahead and make this as the last one. You don't need to add this bead. Remove 2 beads and add the 6 on each side and attach. So the sizes depend on you. Now for the end, as I wanted to make normal hand size, so I'm going to take 6 on the right and 6 on the left to close this bracelet. 1, 2, 3, and 6 on the left. Okay, I'm going to zoom and I'm going to focus. Okay, now we are at the end, and now this is the starting point. Now what we have to do here is we're going to stretch elastic a little bit, and there you can see we have this point. I'm going to crisscross my elastic, going to pull this part. I'm going to take left one towards the right side, right into the center of this elastic, and hold. And now I'm going to pass this from inside of this elastic to the left side, and now we have locked this part. So now we are going to remove the stitch marker, and now we are going to make a regular knot. I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 knots first. Now let me see if this passes through this center bead. Make sure you tighten your knots. Okay, this get through this, so I'm going to make another knot, just an extra one. Now we're going to stretch, pull this over your knot, we're going to stretch, now pull this over to this knot, the knot is inside, and now you're going to shift these crystals, so your knot is going to be into the center of your crystal hiding. So here is it. You have to do this a couple of times so that this bracelet is going to adjust itself. Ta-da! Okay, so here it is. Your pretty beautiful bracelet is ready to wear. You can adjust the size as per your hand size. And this is it. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Bye.